Welcome back to the Electrician's Tool Channel. On the bench today we have the TENMA 20 megahertz oscilloscope slash functional generator slash multimeter. This multimeter was released to the market in 2002. It has since been discontinued, but you may get lucky to find one, if not under this name, probably another name, the same multimeter. Only thing we're going to do today is just go over a few features. I can just tell you about this device. I acquired this device a couple of days ago, and it's working okay. It's working fine, and it's right at 22 years old. So, yeah, 22 years old, and it's a pretty decent device. So what I'm going to do is let me just zoom you guys in closer, and I'll just go over some of the features that this device has. Guys, if you like this video or like any of my videos, and if you want to support the channel, you can do so by hitting the like button, subscribe button, or leaving a comment. If you choose to, I will greatly appreciate it. It just help the channel to grow. Thank you. Let me just call out some of the features. Let's zoom you guys in and let you see some of the features and call them out as I go. So let me just do that. Okay, starting from the bottom, you see there's a to the left here, that's the off and on button, the encoder to the right, and the jack inputs the bottom, amps, common, and volts and resistance input. Right above it, the soft keys, you have a calibration button, the cursor, the 0 button, the M right there, and the ONM button. Right above it is the multimeter frequency for the features for the multimeter frequency, the hold and run button, as well as the RS-232C button. That's for if you want to hook it up to your computer. I don't have the cable or the software, and I'm sure if I did have it, it's still out of date, outdated, I should say. And you see the other soft keys here, centers. The one above there is the DSO, that's a digital storage oscilloscope. The logic feature, that's another feature that it has on here. It's auto, if you want to just set it in auto mode when you're doing any kind of probing or testing. Right next to it, if you if you had it hooked to the computer, you can print it, save and load. The one next to it, right above it, is channel 1, volts and division. Right next to it, channel 1, up or down, if you choose to let it start measuring up or down. Trigger level, channel 2, same thing, volts division, and the channel 2 feature if you want to scroll up or down. Right above that is a trigger button, and also the arrow to go on left and right is the in and out button. Times and division. Right above that, the soft keys F1 through F6, and that controls the features. Let me just zoom in just a little bit closer for you guys. That controls the features. Let me just scroll up some. Okay. F1, couple, G1, and when you go here, it just sends you DC, ground, AC. And then the next one does the same thing, and that's for the probe 1, if you want to do X10 or whatever you have it on, you calibrate your probe, and probe 2, and the channel that you right here on the side, that'd be for channel 1 or channel 2. And see, so pretty decent scope meter. It's old. It's a 20 megahertz. It's not as fast as the scope meters of today. I mean, oscilloscopes of today, but I mean, it's fast enough for me. You know, I like it because you know, it's a relic. It's a real nice one at that. So it's fast enough for me. I don't really do this for you know, electronics for a living. I do it as a hobby, and this is fast enough for me. The price that I got this for was a real steal. That's why, you know, I feel as though I mean, I don't need anything faster than what I have. I have several oscilloscopes here. And the other one is I have is by TPI, and it's I think it's 20 megahertz also. And I also have a Siglet, and I think that's like something like I think it's 100 megahertz. That's fast enough for me when I want to, if I need something bigger. But I do like this one, and I also have a Handtech. I think that's something like 40 megahertz, if I'm not mistaken. It's 40, it's 60 megahertz, I believe. But I do like this one. You know, it's a really nice scope for me. It's fast enough for me. You know, like I said, I'm just a hobbyist. I'm not a professional using it to make a living from. So, but this is a very nice scope. Just turn it around for you guys. Let me just see me back out of this and just let you guys see. Take a look at it. I got it tilted up on its stand. It has a nice stand, a nice protective case. It's in good shape. The bottom part of the stand folds in and lays flat to help secure this meter. It's a fairly big meter, you know. But it's well protected around with this rubber boot. It comes off. It has a rechargeable battery inside. It takes 12 hours to charge this battery, and you can run it continuously for about, I think, an hour, maybe 2 hours, something like that, continuously. Now, if you were to use it a few minutes, turn it off, use it a few minutes, turn it off, you know, I guess it'll last longer. And you also, if you're using the AC plug, and you have it plugged in, you know, it also not only will it turn the meter on, it charges the battery at the same time. So that's good to know. As you see right here on the side, that's a place right here for the RS 232C plug to go. Right above it, it's 35 volt max. It's for the logic right here. And down below, that's where you plug the AC cable in if you want to power it from the wall. And down below, it's the calibration right here for the probes. As you see, I have it in there right now. These are the original probes that come with it. Fairly nice probes. I had some that I was using from my Handtech meter, and because I could not find a tip that goes on at the spring hook that was in a bag, I couldn't find it. So that's why I was using the ones from the Handtech, and they worked. But these are much better. I have to say, these are much better. So very high quality. This looking at this device, I want to say, I think BK Precision came out with one of these. Look just like this. I did some research and I couldn't find one. No, I did. I saw one, but I couldn't read the name above at the top on it. And someone else made this. I got a feeling who's going to tell me about it. It's my YouTube partner, my YouTube friend, 3-Phase. And by the way, y'all go check his channel out. You know, he has a real nice channel. I know he's going to shoot me a comment and tell me who made this, who's the other person that made this. So I'm waiting on you, TV. I know you're going to tell me. But anyway, this is a real nice, very nice scope meter. And even though it doesn't have you probably can't really see let me try to zoom in closer to okay, that's the screen there. I should have did that, but that's the screen right there. And let me put it in auto so you guys can see what's going on. That's channel 1. It should have been on channel 2. I mean, channel 1. Okay. But anyway, this is the screen. It's kind of, I guess it's kind of blurry to you guys, but nice, pretty nice scope, if I must say myself. And I know I need to do some adjusting to it right now, but I'm just in the middle of this video, so I'll get to it when I get to it. But that's the model number. I don't think I called it out before. 72-6646. And so this is really nice, very nice meter. It has like like I said before, and a lot of good things about it. There's a lot of good things about it. I don't have anything bad to say about this meter at all. And I guess that's about it. I'll be doing some more videos with this meter and the oscilloscope, this device, in the future. But as of now, I really do like this meter. I really do. And to find it in such good condition that it's in, I mean, and the price that I got it for was a steal. It was a steal. I got the case that came along with it, the manual. The manual, not let me just back up just a little so you can see. I have it too close. The manual. I guess it looks really good to say it's over 20 years old. But the manual, the case that it came in, and I have a lot of, I have everything that came, extra fuse, and I'm well pleased with it. So guys, don't forget to support the channel. There will be more videos in the future concerning this this device, but I just wanted to show it off today to give you guys something to appreciate. I know I do. I appreciate all of these old devices, not too old, but if they're old and were advanced, highly advanced the day that they came out, and I like them. I really do like this kind of stuff like this. So you guys stay tuned. There are more videos to come in the future concerning this device, and I hope I can put it through some tests to let you guys see. And but until then, guys, I want you guys to take care, and don't forget to support the channel. Okay, I'm out.